Get ready, football fanatics. The highly anticipated Super Bowl 60 in 2026 is almost here, and you absolutely need to know the ultimate ways to watch this epic rematch between the New England Patriots and Seattle Seahawks. Our deep dive reveals the top streaming services and essential tools that ensure you don't miss a single play, no matter where you are. Find links to buy these fantastic services early in the video description to secure your viewing setup. Number 1. Peacock. This is your official streaming hub for Super Bowl 60, bringing you every thrilling moment in crisp 4K. It's the most straightforward path to catch Drake May's incredible second-year performance as he leads the Patriots. Number 2. YouTube TV. For those craving the full live TV experience, YouTube TV delivers NBC directly to your screen, complete with pre-game shows and all the dramatic halftime action featuring Bad Bunny. It's a powerhouse for cord cutters looking for reliable Super Bowl streaming. Number 3. Sling Blue. Offering an affordable entry point, Sling Blue provides access to NBC in select regions, making it a budget-friendly choice to witness the Seahawks' quest for redemption. It's a surprisingly cost-effective way to get into the game. Number 4. ExpressVPN. Living in a blackout zone or traveling? Don't despair. ExpressVPN is your secret weapon, allowing you to bypass geographical restrictions and unlock all the viewing options, making it a must-have for global fans. This dramatically expands your access. Number 5. DAZN's NFL Game Pass service. For our international viewers, this service is a game-changer, providing dedicated NFL access outside the US. It's an incredibly convenient and low-cost option to witness the Super Bowl 60 drama unfold live from anywhere. From official broadcasters to smart streaming alternatives and essential VPNs, we've covered every angle to ensure you have the best Super Bowl 2026 viewing experience. Make sure you're ready for kickoff.